Hello everyone. Today I am showing you how I make my chicken biryani in an easy way. I got the chicken biryani masala from the Indian supermarket. It reduces the masala preparing process. First, let's prepare the fried shallot. Thinly slide 2 bulbs of shallot and fry it until it turns golden brown. Remove the fried shallot from the pan and spread it out on the kitchen paper. Set it aside. We will use it for marinade the chicken later. In a mixing bowl, put 1 tablespoon of chicken biryani masala, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and 2 tablespoons of fried shallot. The best part of the chicken for this recipe is the thighs and drumsticks. Cut the thigh fillet into pieces. If you use the drumsticks, you need to cut 2 or 3 slits to let the spice penetrate in. Next, marinate the chicken. Let the prepared spice coat all of the chicken. Cover and rest at least for 30 minutes. Now it's time to cook our chicken biryani. Set the pan on medium heat. Add the ghee to the pan, followed by the marinated chicken. While we are waiting for the chicken to cook, we boil the basmati rice until the rice was 70% cooked. Take the lid off after the chicken was fully cooked to let the liquid evaporate. Take the chicken from the pan, but keep the remaining sauce in the pan. Layer half the 70% cooked basmati rice at the bottom of the pan, follow by a layer of chicken, and put the rest of the rice on the top layer. The final touch is the splash of saffron milk, to give the rice the vibrant yellow color. Cover the pan to let the rice fully cooked and absorb the spice flavor. Serve the rice and the chicken with the slited cucumber, coriander, and soft-boiled egg. This is my chicken biryani in the easy version. If you like my cooking and want to see more of it, please subscribe to my channel. I always come up with the easy menu that is easy to make, but I never let my guard down with the flavor.